Here's a great police badge tutorial. I really love this one because there's no painting required, and police stuff always sells really well for me, so hopefully it will for you as well. So here's the SVG you need for this project. I'll link it in the description. And then here, over on this other page, is the mold that you're gonna need. And it is from Natollie Creations. Code SAVE will give you a discount. I got my designs from Creative Fabrica. They're kind of a one-time subscription website, and then everything's included, which is great. I just searched police sayings and then downloaded one that I like. And then I also went ahead and downloaded like Police Seamless, and I found this really cool Tumblr design that I liked, and I downloaded that. So next thing is to go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space, and then we're gonna upload all of those files. So the SVG file for the badge, you will just upload as a cut file. And then for any patterns and things like that, you always wanna upload as print then cut so that it saves your colors. So once you've got everything uploaded, you can select what you want to add to your page, and then we can go ahead and we can size them the way that we need to. So I'm just going to make them a little smaller to get them out of our way. We're going to start with this SVG, and you can see all these different parts. We're going to delete all of the parts that are not that middle police badge section. You can see those on the right hand side where I'm pointing. So I'm just going to go through and delete one by one all of the extra pieces. And then now we don't want the middle to say police. We want that to be just the outline. So I'm going to go to the bottom right where it says contour. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to say hide all contours and then click out, and then that will give me just the outline. So now that we have just that outline, you can size it to the correct sizing. So I'm going to put this up here for you guys. As always, if you're familiar with Cricut, then you've got what you need. Please leave a comment and subscribe if it was helpful. But if you're not familiar with Cricut, then I'm going to keep going ahead and I'll show you what to do next. So I changed the size so it matched. I changed it to a print then cut. And then if you want, you can change the color just by using the color option. Or you can use a pattern, which is what I'm going to do. You also can upload patterns to Cricut, so I'm showing you that right there really quick, that you could change them that way. So I'm going to take this pattern and put it over where I'd like, and then I'm going to go ahead and highlight both of them, and then we're going to use the slice option. So that's going to cut out of both so that the shapes match. Then you can delete the extra design around the outside, delete the extra badge, and then we're just left with the new badge with the design on it. So then once you have that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the saying on the front, because for me, Freshies with sayings always sell better, but you could always just do a pattern one. So what I did is I'm just kind of showing you how it looks really bad if we don't put an outline. So this is why outlining is super important. So I'm going up to contour, and then you can see that little border on the edge. I'll move it so it's easier to see. It's going to show you what the outline will look like. So right now you can see it's really big, so I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. Then once it's how you like it, you can click apply, and then I always change the background color to white. So I'll do that here in just a second. And I'm making it there. You can see in the middle there's some little spots where it will show the background through. Sometimes I'll make the size just a bit bigger until you can't really see those spots anymore, because I don't really love that look. So then once you're ready, hit apply, change your background color to what you want. I do white. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight both the background and my words and flatten them so they stick together. Then you can put it on top of your shape, adjust it, size it, move it wherever you would like. And then once you're ready, you can highlight all of those pieces. And then you're going to use that flatten feature again so that Cricut knows not to cut around it. You can also center it by highlighting them and doing center horizontally. And so that makes sure that it's in the perfect center. So then I went ahead and highlighted it. I went to flatten, and then now it's ready to go ahead and make. So then all you do is flip that face down in your mold, put your beads on top and bake it. I use a string through, so I went ahead and did 2 hole punch holes where I can put my string through, but if you use an eye screw, then you wouldn't have to add any holes to your cardstock. I also wanted to highlight the colors that I used because they are perfect for the police badges. I used E Squared's black, which is definitely by far the best true black that I've ever used, and it lasts forever. And then the blue is Mad Mica's Ultramarine mica powder. So hopefully this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are the best. Have a great day.